So these are the steps I had designed. So it feels kind of cool when you make something and you can actually see it in motion, you know what I mean? So I'm out here working, got a couple of things I got going on right now. I've been doing some, I guess, fall cleaning, end of summer cleaning. Got to organize a few things, so I got stuff I got going on right now. So about to get my hog on here in a minute, man. Just trying to stay organized and only ride around with what I need. So I've been having stuff everywhere. So right now I'm just getting everything separated, located, put up, so that way I can, I want to keep on me what I need. I don't like having like a lot of extra stuff on me. I just like to have what I need at the moment, then keep everything else at the headquarters locked down. Hold on.